celebration this weekend. Just turn around so the crowd can see you. It's an amazing crowd here. It's an amazing atmosphere at your home event. And you are in a Rally 1 hybrid car. How are you feeling right now?
Really good. Thanks for asking. That's a really nice feeling. It's like a dream for me to be in Rally 1 car in Rally Finland. It's like it cannot get any better than this side. Even it's not raining at the moment, so it's really just all smiles.
All smiles, and it is going to be a big weekend out there. Have you got any expectation on your shoulders, or are you just going to enjoy it out there, Sami?
I will just enjoy it. I try not to take any pressure from making any results. I just try to make a good, I try to have a good flow on the driving, and I guess the better stage times will come by that.
Some words and finish.
No tosi hieno nähdä näin paljon ihmisiä nyt kuitenkin. Onneksi ei sada justiin ja toivotaan me yritetään lennättää soraa siihen malliin, että ihmiset sitten viihtyy kans tuolla. Että ei mitään. Kiva kun olet lähtenyt tänne katselemaan.
Kiitos, thank you Sami.
Ja arvoisat, otetaan Enni Märköseltä vielä nopea kommentti. Enni, minkälaisilla tunnelmilla lähdetään nyt Ralli 1-auton kanssa Jyskälään?
Aivan mahtava fiilis. Mä oon niin onnellinen, että mä saan olla täällä tänä viikonloppuna. Täällä on kovan työn tulos ja nautitaan.
Te olette jonkun verran päässyt testiajaan. Miltä auto on tuntunut?
Ihan älyttömän hyvältä.
Ei muuta kuin onnea ja tsemppiä. Kilpailu näyttää, että nyt on halua mennä. Arvoisa yleisö, annetaan raikuvat aplodit Sami Pajari ja Enni Märkönen. I20 Rally 1.
That's a great welcome from the fans here. I've already got goosebumps thinking about the stages this weekend. It's a home event, it's a special event, it's one you've won before. How are you feeling ahead of it?
It's always very special to do this home event. Yeah, the rain will make it fairly challenging, I have to say, but the stages looks amazing. I mean, they are fairly fast. I have to say, it's much more wider roads than what we have had in the past years, so yeah, it will be faster than before.
And Own Employer is back. How much are you looking forward to that?
Pretty much, yeah. It's a very cool stage together with the Muhinpää as well, so there will be for sure a lot of enjoyment this weekend.
And some words in finish for your fans here?
No, ensinnäkin kiva nähdä, että vaikka huono keli, niin teitä aika paljon paikalla. Kiitos, että olette tullut. Tulkaa muinakin päivinä, älkää jääkö tähän päivään. Että toivottavasti ei turnausväsymys tule jo tänä iltana. Ja en mä tiedä, viime vuonna lupasin, että joku suomalainen voittaa. Nyt ei lupaa yhtään mitään. Meni niin perseelle viime vuonna kaikki veikkaukset. Niin katsotaan mitä voidaan tehdä. Kiitos.
Kaudelle voitot Saparista, Puolasta ja Latviasta. Ja nyt sitten Jyskälässä.
Our reigning world champions Kalle Rovanperä and Jone Halttunen. Kalle, it's been a great year for you so far on a partial season. We've seen brilliant success with wins on the board, but a win in Finland is always pretty special to get. You haven't got one of those yet. What's the hope this weekend? Is it possible?
Yeah, it has been a pretty okay year, and of course, coming to Rally Finland, it's always the goal to try to win it. This year we have again quite a good chance, a bit different starting place than previous years, so hopefully we can use it well. And yeah, of course, seeing all these fans already Wednesday evening, it's quite cool.
I know it is really special. A quick word for the fans here. Finish.
Morjesta vaan kaikille, hienoa, että olette päässeet paikalle näinkin isoin määrin, ja toivotaan hyvää ralliviikkoa kaikille suomalaisille ja kannustakaa ja pitäkää kovaa meteliä aina kun me tullaan ohi, niin me yritetään ajaa kovaa. Kiitos!
Kiitos, thank you very much. Kalle Rovanperä and Jone Halttunen. Adrian Formo now and Alex Correa. Good to see the French fans are in tonight, Adrian. Now, you've had a special year. You've taken your first ever WRC podiums this year. Question is, can you get on the podium at one of the most iconic events here in Finland?
Well, we're gonna try for sure. It's a really nice rally. I really love it. Last year I was on the podium of Rally 2 class, so I definitely want to be in Rally 1. it's the legacy of the championship. So I'm really pleased to see also all the crowd and all the people, all the French also coming to see the fabulous rally and to support us. So hi everyone, and I'm really pleased that everybody's here.
Good luck out there this weekend, guys. Thank you very much.
Sebastian Ogier, Toyota Gear, Yaris Rally 1.
Eight-time World Rally Champion Sebastian Ogier, everyone, and Vincent Londe. Seb, it's been a partial season this year, but on every single WRC event, you have been on the podium. That is pretty special. What's the plan here for Finland?
Carry on like this. I mean, for sure it's been a good half season for me so far. We have been, like you mentioned, 5 times on the podium. So here in Finland it's always a big challenge. It's a hard competition, but that's why I'm here, to try to fight for it and yeah, fight for victory. It's always my target anyway.
So many fans here already. This must be really motivating as a driver.
Yeah, it is. I think it's it's a special country for rally. Thank you so much for the support. Kiitos already. I'm sure there will be many cheering for Kalle this weekend, which is normal as a local hero, but also the homeland of Toyota Gazoo Racing. So it's also a bit our home rally as well. So we'll do our best to bring as many Toyota on the podium as possible.
Good stuff. Thank you very much, guys. Sebastian Ogier and Vincent Londe.
Kärkimies Thierry Neuville ja Hyundai i20 and Rally 1 Martin Döhingman.
Thierry Neuville and Martin Vidaga. Our championship leaders as we head into this super fast event in Finland. Now, Mr. Neuville, I have a bone to pick with you. You've been doing a rain dance, I think, haven't you, to make sure the roads are soaking wet out there. Can we have some sunshine back now?
No, we can't. Obviously, yeah. Conditions look quite good out there on the stages due to rain. I mean, being first on the road is always difficult. Here this weekend maybe a little bit less, especially because we've seen lots of rain and there's more coming. However, still many challenges ahead. I mean, there are some new stages, some exciting stages, and looks really good out there.
And it does look really good in the championship right now. For us watching, it's getting spicier, it's getting closer. What do you need to do to keep that championship lead?
Yeah, obviously continuing like we did so far, we're doing our best. Obviously we were very handicapped on the last event, actually the last two, so it made it very challenging. We still got away with some good points due to a Sunday push, but here this weekend I think we have more chances on a good result again since a long time. So hopefully we can do the best and try to have some fun. I think the stages looks beautiful. Nice itinerary, and I'm looking forward.
So are we. Good luck out there, guys. Thank you very much. Thierry Neuville and Martin Vidaga. Oliver Solberg now and Elliot Edmondson. Oliver, are the Wolfpack in the house tonight? Are the fans out in force?
Is Wolfpack here tonight? Come on! They are.
They are. I'm glad to hear it. Now you are the championship leader in WRC2. You had great success here in the Rally 2 category last year. I'm sure a repeat performance is on the cards.
Well, the goal is for sure to do the same as last year. You know, of course, it has been very tough in the past in Finland, but finally last year it was redemption. And the goal and the plan is for sure to try to win this weekend, try to keep the championship ahead. And for sure it looks tricky. The weather with the rain, everything can be interesting, but the roads look amazing. And it's the first time I see Onnenpojat. After, of course, I've seen my father's video many times. But when you look at it in real life, wow, incredible.
We're looking forward to seeing the next Solberg going over Onnenpojat. Good luck.
Thank you. Kiitos.
That's Oliver Solberg and Elliot Edmondson, everyone. Nikolai, come and have a a chat with us. Again, you're another driver not registered for points this weekend in WRC2. You love this rally, though. You love super fast gravel. What's your plan for the weekend?
Yeah, I'll try my best just to check the car also on the shakedown tomorrow. And if everything feels fine, just to enjoy the rally. As you tell, the fast gravel, especially in Finland, it's every time was my passion. Also this year we drive on Pocket. This is the big dream. So the main target, we survive to the Saturday, do on Pocket and after full attack.
It's all about Onnenpojja this weekend. Good luck, Nikolai. Good luck, Konstantin. Thank you very much.
Ja tällä kaudella Joona Hussi kaksikko hienosti Portugalissa palkinto korokkeella ja täältä lähtölava.
Larry, a great welcome by the fans here. Home event. And a great event lined up. So many classic stages. Onnenpojja returns. How much are you looking forward to it?
Yeah, of course. It's nice to be like in homeland, to driving rally. I think we had like best roads in here, so I think it should be really enjoyable. And of course, I really looking forward Onnenpojja stage, but also these legendary stages.
And a few words in Finnish as well for your fans about your hopes this weekend.
No joo, ensinnäkin kiva, että kaikki on tullut paikalle ja Sanko joukoi porukkaa ja koitetaan mennä kovaa tuolla, että varmasti taso tulee olemaan äärimmäisen kova luokassa, mutta kova luotto on siihen, että koitetaan mahdollisimman hyvä sijoitus saada ja ei muuta kuin kaikille erittäin mukavaa rallia ja nauttimaan.
Ja otetaan vielä täältä siirtun luokan Skoda Fabia, RS ja Pierluis Lopez.
What does it mean for a driver competing here, but what is the challenge of Rally Finland? How much confidence do you have out on those stages?
I don't know, it's only here that you found that, so for people like me who come from Iceland where there is only corner who turn a lot, yeah, it's been a bit strange, so you need to use maximum your seatbelt and believe it.
And believe in yourself. Confident for this weekend then?
Yeah, I think so. In Poland the pace was okay, so yeah, we will continue on it and see what we can do.
Thank you very much. Pierre-Louis Loubet, everyone.
Jari Matti Latvala ja rinnalla Juho Hänninen. Autona nyt oman tiimin Toyota Yaris Ralli 2 ja 19 Suomen MM-ralli kiekko. Ja annetaan raikuvat aplodit nyt Jari Matti Latvala. Juho Hänninen.
Jari Matti, come in and have a quick chat with me up here. Normally I'm talking to you in your role as team principal, but for the second year in a row you've decided to put the overalls back on, and so has Juho Hänninen. How are you feeling about competition in the Rally 2?
Actually, it's so nice always to be driving in Finland. It's the most difficult rally for me to be watching on the stages, so I'd rather drive here. So I managed to do a nice deal with the Toyota, that sharing my passion for the driving and then also learning something for the customers, for the communication. We managed to make this deal to happen, and that's why also we have a special color to show for the event.
Can you win this category this weekend, Jari Matti? What's the plan? I'm sure Juho is going, no, say no.
Well, let's say I try to drive according to Juho's instructions. He's a very good instructor. So, but let's say that I'm just curious to see what is the speed these days in Rally 2. I know its level is high. I don't know exactly my level, what it can be, but that's why we are curious. We want to see, and then we will see where we can, if we can get, how far we can get. But let's say top 5 would be fantastic.
And some words in Finnish.
No niin, kiitos. On kyllä upeaa olla ajamassa Jyväskylässä, että tämä ralli, mitä on vaikea olla katsoa penkalla, kun täällä pitää päästä ajamaan, ja saatiin hieno diili tehtyä Toyotan kanssa, että pääsen itse ajamaan ja saadaan vähän oppia tonne asiakkaille ja pystytään kommunikoimaan autosta paremmin. Ja tuotiin tämmönen erikoisväri, uusi värikin vielä sitten tähän, että mitä voidaan sitten vähän promota, niin tässä on hieno kokonaisuus ja tää on maailman hienoin ralli, niin mikä sen parasta kun päästä nauttimaan näitä suomalaisia teitä.
Kiitos!
Näin toteaa Jari-Matti Lappala. Olisi mielenkiintoinen tietää, että kuinka vaikeat ne on Fiestalla seuraavaksi lähtölavalle. Jesse Kallio Ville Kynnösen kanssa. 25-vuotias Jesse Kallio on ajanut kilpaa vuodesta 2019 lähtien ja aikanaan rallycrossin puolella nyt sitten Jyskälä Kynnösen kanssa.
Där links. Yeah.
See about your hopes of competing at home here at Rally Finland. How are you feeling right now?
Yeah, it's of course amazing to be back here and we have good memories from last year.
Det är det första Clio Rally ut.
Big field of cars and fast drivers. So I'm really excited for this event and we'll see how it goes.
WRC3 is going to be a hotly contested event. Some words of finish for the fans here.
Ei mitään, toivotaan, että kisat menee hienosti ja vähän paljon porukkaa reitelle ja koitetaan pitää kaasu pohjassa.
Kiitos.
Tästä Tampereelle hautamaan. Menes Kaljelle liivio.
So we're still with our WRC3 category finals right now. It's going to be a really hotly contested category at this year's Rally Finland as we welcome yet another Finn to the stage.
Ainakin itse on suunut.
Niin kun ihmiset joustaa, ihmiset sopeutuu tähän ja niin ei varmaan.
Geht jetzt Auto zu langsam? Yeah.
Mä luulen, että
Guck mal, wie gottlos viel was ich kann zoomen. Sami Pajari. Ja. Oschi. Hey, ich bin so froh, dass wir jetzt gut heute hierher gestanden sind.
Ja, super Idee. Kuva. Kello on parempi.
Es ist cool, dass auch ein Beifahrer in der Fahne hat.
I immediately went after the yeah, usually in the stage we use it the other way around.
Yksi. Ja sitten mennään. Siirtyy sitten 15-vuotiaana rallin pariin, mutta tällä miehellä on jo vähän enempi sitten kokemusta. Pirelli-kortilta tullaan.
välittömästi ja me hurrataan kaikille. Me annetaan tuplat kotimaisille ja
ensimmäinen auto liikkeelle siis Laajavuoren ykkösellä.
Rinnalle katsotaan tietysti isossa roolissa on Ykkälässä
Ja viimeksi Latviassa kolmas. Ja sitten lähdetään. Arvoisa yleisö, Suomen lippuja ylös! Toyotan lippuja korvia, antakaa koira, huutakaa, kannustakaa! Arvoisa yleisö,
säästellä, ei nostella, viemällä on nyt sellaista vähän.
Valanen siellä vähän sen näytti, jos oikein katsoo tuon auton alapuolella.
Alaspäin. Ja asfalto keskittyy vähän kukasta koko ajan kuivuvaa asfaltokiinettä. Eikä tarvitse jäädä.
Mutta nyt hyvä yleisö, se on ihan muutama sekunti, 3, 2, ja viituuden Kalle Rovanperälle.
Vastaisi, kun Jakohan takka tuossa totesi. Pään kanssa jatkaa kilpailuksi. Oliver Stubens nosti Jari-Matti Lankola, mutta täytyy muistaa, että se tulee kyllä todella kovia. Kovia kuljettajia
Selbst mal ein paar Jahre gucken. Ja. Das ist alles gut im Sauber sein.
Das ist ja schon fast die Hälfte der Autos, die gleich fähren.
Ja.
Sauber alles.
Ja.
Also wenn wir vorher nicht Auto in der Waschstraße fahren.
Ja. Ja. Im Sport. Ja. Gerne. Dankeschön.
最後までもう出走順決められるので、大体ラリー2の上位陣が5台ぐらい。
Excuse me?
後でね。
厳密に言うと多分ここから先が D グループで。
saada tulosta. Arvoisa yleisö, ranskalainen Henri Simon, Alexandre ei olla takana 53 MM-starttia, ei vielä voi. Ja Simon tulee sieltä Kirellin Portugalta. Torni jatkattelee vielä viimeisiä sivuja luottivihossa.
Ja katsotaan siis saadaan kuluttua ja verrataan sitä pohja-aikaa tämän
21 MM-pistettä ja myös tämä Sittoralli on ollut Munsterille. MM-rallia ja parhaimmillaan rallin MM-sarjassa mies oli 5. kaudella 2018.
Ralli kakkosella voitto Italian Sardiasta ja Puolasta. Imetki Latviassa 3. MM kakkosella
illalla huollossa kulki, niin paljonhan siellä näkyy kimmipaitaa ja tallipaitaa ja ynnä muuta, että se on ikään kuin
Okay everyone, we're ready to start our final podium for Secto Rally Finland. We'd like to welcome in 3rd position overall, representing the M Sport Ford World Rally Team, Adrian Formeau and Alex Correa. In 2nd position overall, representing the Hyundai Charles World Rally Team, Thierry Neuville and Martin Vidaga. Our 8-time World Rally Champion, Sebastian Ogier. Now everyone, please stand if you can for the national anthem of the winning driver, the national anthem of France. Alex Correa by Mikko Pakarinen, Category Manager for the Broman Group. Trophies for second place. By Kaius Forsberg, Chair of City Board, Jyväskylä. To be presented to Sebastian Ogier and Vincent Londe by Heikki Kovalainen. And trophy for the winning Toyota to be presented to Sebastian Ogier by Yuji Ito, President of Forum 8. And now the top 3 crews will be presented with champagne. Gentlemen, you know what to do. It's time to